Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials and taking the first concrete actions now. Install Python 3, 10 plus Git and virtualenv, then create and activate a clean environment so dependencies won't conflict. Choose whether you'll run an open model locally or call an API. This decision affects cost, latency, and hosting. Once decided, scaffold a project, SRC tests requirements, TXT, and a secure secret store for keys and tokens. After that, initialize Git and commit a minimal README so you have a reproducible base to build from. Now you implement the core, wire the model client, and design the request flow. Implement a prompt manager that composes system, user, and memory segments, trimming older context to respect token limits. This keeps responses relevant. Add async I/O for parallel calls, a simple cache for repeated queries, and exponential backoff plus retries for transient failures. Make sure to separate inference logic from business rules so you can swap models later without changing core behavior. Test with unit and integration tests as you proceed. Finish by hardening and deploying the assistant so real users can interact safely. Add content filters, user permission checks, structured logging, and metrics for latency, error rate, and costs so you can observe behavior in production. Deploy using containers or serverless functions tuned to your expected load, and wire alerts for anomalies. One key troubleshooting tip: if responses degrade or timeout, reproduce the failing prompt locally. Inspect token usage and network latency. Then test with a smaller context window and increased retry/backoff to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.